What?
Side it. That kind of hurt.
Good.
Alright. I'm here with my friend Derek. And today we're doing the cartoon trivia and BB guns challenge. It sounds long, it's not going to be that long. But we're going to do the BB gun challenge. But instead of other questions, we're going to be answering cartoon trivia. And this is not my twin brother, by the way. This is my friend Derek.
He's lying.
He's lying.
Excuse me. Okay, so Levis, my friend Levis is behind the camera. He's going to be giving us the questions. And our executioner, Christian, he's always in my videos. He was in the last video. Is going to shoot us with that BB gun if we get the question wrong.
Damn.
Yay. Fun.
Very happy about this.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, Levis, start us off.
Alright.
Wait, what were the rules real quick?
Alright, the rule is an app called 80's Cartoon Trivia. It says, welcome to 80's Cartoon Trivia. You have selected 25 questions. Alright. You will have 60 seconds to answer each question. Good luck.
This is 10 years before the other challenge we thought about. You realize that, right? Alright, so he's going to be asking us those questions. It's going to be timed, but when you want to...
Okay, well, basically what happens is each of you will get one question each, and you have to draw from the hat when you get one question wrong.
This is the hat, and inside is a bunch of papers with body parts that
so once if you get it wrong, then you get shot, basically. And if you get it right, you pass. You get passed, basically. You don't have to get shot. So when all the paper out of his hat is gone, that's when we're done. Okay. All right. So
I'm not really happy about one of the things I put in there. Why did you let me put that in there?
I just didn't question it.
Okay, well, let's start.
Alright, man. Alright, let's go. First question, DC. This is about strawberry shortcake.
Oh, God.
his favorite.
Who did the original design of strawberry shortcake? Danielle Davis? Muriel Farion? Or Holly Thera?
It's time for you to guess.
I'm gonna go with Holly Thera. Give me that now.
Holly Thera. Wait, hold on, Derek. Who do you think?
No, wait, we're asking both of them?
I'm gonna ask both of them.
Alright.
Derek, who do you think?
I'm gonna just go with Flareon.
Flareon.
Alright, Farion
Pokemon?
and DC said Holly. Alright, let's see who was right. Derek was right. DC, you got it. You got it again.
You missed the grab one. Okay.
Alright.
Pass!
Oh my goodness, that was the only. Wait, that was the only pass in there?
He got the only pass.
Watch that be the only question I get right too.
Alright, Derek, your question. This is about He-Man.
I never watched the show in my life.
What was He-Man's original primary weapon? A sword,
Hold up.
an axe, a gun, or a club?
I know the answer to
It
this.
can't be a gun because it's a cartoon.
You'd be surprised. Let me just
I said his original.
Don't listen to me.
Original primary weapon.
Is that before he becomes He-Man or?
No, it just says what was He-Man's original primary weapon.
It was. Wait, what?
There, you got 6 seconds.
Wait, sword. Fuck.
A sword.
I'm gonna say sword too.
You're both wrong. It was an axe.
So I was gonna say X too. God damn it. Alright.
Draw.
You want me to draw or do you wanna?
Let me just sit and go. I'm just gonna.
Are you gonna sit in the This is where you're gonna be for the rest of the video?
I don't know if I need to be, but I'm just gonna put
Alright, well.
I go two right.
Yep. Somebody got the back.
You ready?
What'd you get?
Got legs.
What you got?
Yeah.
Back.
Alright. Next question. DC. This is from Legend of Zelda.
Oh.
Who is the hero of The Legend of Zelda?
Are you serious?
Mario.
Mario. It's obviously
Link.
Mario.
Let's see. Link. You are correct.
Goodness, what
Now
is
is
that question?
Derek.
I mean, no. But
Legend of Zelda still. What was the name of the fairy princess?
Keep it Zelda.
Gwen, Tia, Sprite, or Spyro?
Wait, what?
Who was
what
the
princess?
It says
Talking about Zelda.
what was the name of the fairy princess on Legend of Zelda?
I thought, oh
Wait,
my god, I
say
never
it.
played this game
When?
before.
Tia, Spyro. I don't even know what that is. Sprite,
I'm gonna just go with Gwen. Or
Gwen,
something.
Gwen,
Yeah.
DC,
I'm going with Spyro.
Spyro.
Wait, no.
No.
No, you answered. You're fine.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I was just like, what?
It was whoever was Sprite, Spyro, Sprite, whatever. You're both wrong.
Take both of draw, man.
You're both wrong. It's only
I
one.
could have told you it wasn't Spyro. Cause I was like,
Isn't
that's
that
a
a
different
dragon?
game in
Isn't
general.
that a
Yeah,
dragon?
yeah.
That's a complete different game.
DC, what you got?
I got neck.
Wait, neck is.
You put neck in there?
You stupid mother.
Well, DC.
You put neck in there?
Derek, what you got?
Booty.
Derek.
I got ass.
Derek, next question. Teenage Mutant Ninja. Who was not?
I actually
Hey,
watched the
who
show.
was not a good guy? Donatello, April O'Neil, Baxter, or Casey Jones?
Baxter.
Baxter.
You got it right.
Yep, back.
All right, yeah, you're right.
You're right.
Yeah.
All right, DC, you're good. This is again Legend of Zelda.
Oh, why would I give you the questions?
Which day did the Legend
Spyro.
of Zelda air?
Yeah.
Friday, Monday,
No, no.
Sunday, or
I'm
Saturday?
not from the 80s. How would I get this?
Which day
Legend of Zelda had a show.
did
Yeah,
the
I
Legend
know.
of
I say
Zelda
Friday.
air? Friday, Derek.
What was the questions? What was the choices again?
It says, which day did the Legend of Zelda air? Friday, Monday, Sunday, or Saturday?
I found the shit is that.
Monday.
Monday?
Yeah, it was
And you said Friday.
Can I switch? No, just keep on going.
No. You were correct, DC. Derek, you were wrong.
Pick.
What you get?
I mean, we both got.
Yeah.
Derek, He-Man.
Legend of Zelda.
Who was the leader of the good guys?
He-Man.
Skullface.
Justin.
Was it He-Man?
Justin, Adam, John, or Greg?
Why are they such like the plainest names? John, Greg.
Who was the leader
Greg
of
sounds like
the
a
good
bitch,
guys?
so it couldn't have been Greg.
Hey, my name is Greg. My name is Greg.
Named Greg. He wants to fight you.
Squirrel.
John sounds like a musclehead. What was the other head?
Adam,
I'm
and
going with
Justin.
Adam. I'm going with Adam.
And then there's Justin. So Adams,
Yeah, I'm going with Adam.
DC,
I'll go Adam too.
Adams.
First Adams.
You're both correct.
Yeah, first Adams.
Man, you taking my answers, man. What the fuck?
DC.
You watched it before.
This is about Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. What did the turtles love to eat?
Pizza.
Damn, you're right. G.I. Joe, Derek.
Yo, Joe!
What evil organization was the show G.I. Joe? Trinity, Cobra, Axis, or Macross?
I believe it was Cobra.
Cobra.
You got it right.
You were correct. Man, who wants to take the last paper, man? Come on.
Take the last paper. Come on, man. I don't know about this, but you
DC,
can't-
this is my favorite show.
Can't even next.
My Little Pony. My Little Pony.
Skip this shit.
Skip it? Yeah, because I didn't even know what this is. It was Brian.
Of course.
That's the one guy.
Of course.
Again, DC, I'm going back to you. This is about Thundercats.
Oh, yeah.
What was one of the show's catchphrases? Kitty attack? Thunder, thunder, Thundercats.
Hold on, keep going. Keep going.
Thunder, thunder, Thundercats, ho.
That one.
What the heck?
Thunder! Thunder! Thundercats! Oh!
A lion, oh claws you. You are Joe, Derek. G.I. Joe.
Alright, so I at least know this show.
Okay. Who is crowned as the master or disguise that runs the... What the hell is this? Dranox?
Trina?
Mm-hmm.
think you guys need a little bit more incentive, so I'm just gonna.
Alright, well.
Who is known as the master or disguise?
Just name the names.
Destro, Zordon,
I already know this one.
Zorana,
I know this one.
Buzzer.
I know this one.
You got 19
All those
seconds.
characters like actually in the show.
You got 19. 15.
They're in the movies.
The only,
You got 10 seconds.
the only thing I remember
Alright,
from
can I
the movie
name
is
that black? Can I take it?
Sure.
Alright. Zardin. Whatever. Z.
Zordon?
Yeah.
Alright. You were correct, Derek. He skipped. Now it's back to you, Derek. It's about Voltron.
Oh, I love Voltron.
I think I've seen 2 episodes.
Voltron. What was the air team called? Nimbus Squad, Jet Team Alpha, the Turbo Terrain Fighters, or the Strato
I
Fighters?
really think we should do the 90s one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just.
Is there a 90s
I'm
one?
gonna just go with Jets.
Okay.
The Jets.
You are incorrect. It's the Strato Fighters.
Alright, go ahead, man. Get your stuff, man. Alright, so as you saw in the trivia, we get shot on our specific body parts by that BB gun right there. It's gonna hurt.
You don't know that.
So yeah, Derek's gonna start.
What?
Let me get out of here.
Wait, which one am I gonna go with first?
Arm.
Should I take
Let's hope I'm accurate.
Ready? God.
The hit.
That doing sting. It isn't hit that bad though.
Alright, it's the BB.
Oh man.
The back.
You get the back. All right.
The
You want to get this over with? Just. Yeah, you. Get the fuck up.
Yeah, I barely felt that.
Shoot, let's go for another. Go
I
for
should
it.
say knee for me.
There you go. The chest.
You got neck, but we're
You got neck, but we're gonna change it to the chest.
Oh.
Right
All
there.
right, you're good.
No, stop.
Can you at least get in frame? We're gonna be hurt.
You got red mark?
I don't even know.
Oh man.
Here, since I didn't actually get hurt that much, I'm gonna do something at the end.
Okay, now we hit.
Alright, Derek.
The main event.
Now we got ass.
Okay.
Watch then slow motion. Then slow motion.
I didn't say I was ready.
I'm sorry. I have 4 shots.
Put more in there.
What? More?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's take the shots with it.
Oh, I'm in this.
I'm in this. No, I'm not. I'm not in this. No, wait, hold on. Hold on.
Like they said, it's not as bad as it started with.
It like in jail or something.
Let's go. Let's do it. Oh, shit. Ah! Oh! No. Ah, it's good. No. I'm gonna be on the plane. No.
Is that it?
No, you put it more. Oh God. What was that bigger? Oh wait.
Alright, hi, yeah, thank you guys for watching. My name's Marz. I hope you enjoyed the video.
I'm out.
Actually kinda hurt.
From right there.
I didn't feel any. I got jeans on.
Can I shoot it?
Oh my god.
Right in the tip.
Oh god. Alright, yeah. See you guys next week.
This is kind of fun. Looks like the only one in here is Christian.
See ya.